Good morning, friends of Barbara Campbell. Good morning. Yes, it's a beautiful day. I'm looking outside my window. It is sunny. I hear it's going to rain tomorrow. Today, I'm not quite sure, so tune in and see what's going on in the neighborhood. But I want to talk to you about two things. First of all, I've been talking about styling tools for the summer for your hair. Okay, right now in my hand, you're going to want to know these two products and what they can do for you. These are two styling tools that are going to be so important for this season coming in for the fall. If you're managing your hair, you're going to want to have a big brush, okay, as I talk about for your bangs and to curl the ends of your strands, and a hair dryer. Okay, a hair dryer does wonders. It also helps to bring shine back into the hair, as well as it's drying it from the wetness when you are washing your hair and you're trying to dry your hair. Okay, you don't want to be burning the strands of hair when you're using a hair dryer.